Question 361. There is no contractual guarantee for repayment of principal or interest to an investor in A. Bank deposit. B. Debt fund. C. Secured debentures. D. All of the above. Answer B. Debt fund. Question 362. Which of the following debt investments is not rated? A. Corporate bonds. B. Commercial paper. C. Company deposit. D. Debt fund. Answer D. Debt fund. Question 363. Gold and real estate are attractive investment options only in high inflation economies. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question 364. Direct investment in stock market can be a better option than investing through mutual funds if the investor A. Wants better returns than those offered by mutual fund. B. Have large capital, knowledge and resources for research. C. Has identified a bullish phase in the stock market. D. Wants to invest for the long term. Answer B. Have large capital, knowledge and resources for research. Question 365. Deciding on strategies such as long-term compounding, cost averaging, value averaging, active switching, all depend on the A. Stock market situation on date. B. Amount of money to be invested. C. Investors' risk tolerance. D. Phase through which the economy is passing. Answer C. Investors' risk tolerance. Question 366. Financial planning involves A. Studying financial management. B. Managing the risk of investment. C. Financing the client's investments. D. None of the above. Answer B. Managing the risk of investment. Question 367. Greater returns come only from assuming higher risks, and a higher risk portfolio guarantees higher returns. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question 368. The risk tolerance of an investor is independent of A. His age. B. His income. C. The stock market movements. D. His job security. Answer C. The stock market movements. Question 369. A sector fund is A. Low risk fund. B. Moderate risk fund. C. High risk fund. D. Low to moderate risk fund. Answer C. High risk fund. Question 370. International funds invest in various countries and so are low risk funds. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question 371. Investment in gold is a hedge against inflation, but investment in a precious metal fund falls in the high risk category. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question 372. By their very nature, growth funds are considered as high-risk funds. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. 373. Short-term bond funds are A. Low-risk funds. B. Moderate-risk funds. C. High-risk. D. Of the above depending on the market. Answer B. Moderate-risk funds. Question 374. The risk level of commodity fund is A. High risk category. B. Determined by the commodity price movements. C. Cannot be specified. D. Low risk category. Answer A. High risk category. Question 375. As compared to a fund with fluctuating total returns, a fund with stable positive earnings A. Gives higher returns. B. Is less risky. C. Gives lower returns. D. Is more risky. Answer B. Is less risky. Question 376. Risk is equated with A. Volatility of earnings. B. Level of earnings. C. The number of investors in a fund. D. The number of schemes of a fund family. Answer A. Volatility of earnings. Question 377. Volatility of an equity fund portfolio is independent of the A. Kind of stocks in the portfolio. B. Degree of diversification of the portfolio. C. Fund manager's success at market timing. D. Number of investors in the scheme. Answer D. Number of investors in the scheme. Question 378. Equity price risks are A. Company specific. B. Market level. C. Sector specific. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 379. Diversification reduces A. Company specific risk. B. Market level risk. C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. Answer A. Company specific risk. Question 380. Which of the following is most risky? A. Investing in a money market mutual fund. B. Investing in an index fund. C. Short-term investment in an equity fund. D. Long-term investment in an equity fund. Answer C. Short-term investment in an equity fund. Question 381. A fund with a high beta coefficient gives greater returns in a rising market, and is more risky in a falling market. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question 382. Which of the following is a disadvantage of standard deviation as a measure of risk? A. Standard deviation measures total risk, not just market risk. B. It is based on past returns, which does not necessarily indicate further performance. C. It is an independent number. D. All types of fund can be measured with standard deviation. Answer B. It is based on past returns, which does not necessarily indicate further performance. Question 383. The role of an agent is to A. Point out the features and benefits of various investment options. B. Help the investor develop the right approach to investing. C. Recommend some investment option available. D. Offer ad hoc advice whenever the investor has surplus money available. Answer B. Help the investor develop the right approach to investing. Question 384. One of the most effective ways to invest through mutual fund is to A. Develop a model portfolio. B. Buy a few units of every mutual fund scheme available. C. Invest all the money in one fund scheme. D. Invest all the money in different schemes of the same fund family. Answer A. Develop a model portfolio. Question 385. Mutual fund should be advised to expect A. Low post-tax returns. B. Dramatic results. C. Better returns than every other available option. D. Only realistic wealth accumulation goals. Answer D. Only realistic wealth accumulation goals. Question 386. Asset allocation is A. Keeping certificates of the physical securities in proper places. B. Allocating the available money to all the securities available. C. Allocating the right proportion of funds to equity, debt and money market securities. D. None of the above. Answer C. Allocating the right proportion of funds to equity, debt and money market securities. Question 387. Once a financial advisor works out ideal asset allocation, it can be used for all investor whom he or she advises. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question 388. Asset distribution among equity, debt and money market securities should correspond to the investor's need for capital growth, income and liquidity. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question 389. The liquidity needs of an investor are met through A. Equity funds. B. Index funds. C. Money market funds. D. Sector funds. Answer C. Money market funds. Question 390. A retired person generally needs a greater proportion of A. Debt funds. B. Equity funds. C. Money market funds. D. All of the above. Answer A. Debt funds.